In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flyer on Canva. Whether you're planning an event, advertising a business, or simply exploring your creativity, making a flyer can be an effective and enjoyable process. Canva is a fantastic online tool that provides all the resources you need to design visually stunning flyers. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. If you already have an account, you can proceed by selecting the login option. For those of you new to Canva, you'll need to create an account by signing up, which is a straightforward process and completely free. Now for existing users, once you click on Login, you may be prompted to continue with your Google account. If that's the case, go ahead and select your Google account for a quick login. Once you've chosen your account, click Continue, and you're all set to start designing. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a Create a Design button somewhere on the homepage. Click on it, and a search bar will appear where you can type in the word Flyer. This will help you find the most appropriate flyer template. Hundreds of templates will pop up, but today we'll focus on creating a flyer in the portrait orientation, which has a classic and versatile look suitable for various purposes. Once you select the flyer portrait, your canvas opens up. Browse through Canva's vast library of templates tailored for all occasions and styles. Select one that resonates with the message you want to convey. Don't worry if it doesn't fully match your vision right away. The beauty of Canva lies in its flexibility and user-friendliness when it comes to customization. With your template open in front of you, the fun truly begins. Click on the text boxes to edit the template's text accordingly. Whether you're adding the details of an event, a call to action, or a catchy headline, make sure the text is clear and impactful. Canva provides an assortment of fonts and text formatting options to ensure you can tailor the design to fit your brand or personal taste. If you want to add extra flair to your flyer, consider including images or various elements. Canva's extensive stock image library and element options like icons or shapes can enhance your design and grab attention. You can also click on additional text boxes to insert more information that is crucial for your flyer, such as contact details or social media handles. When you're satisfied with your design, you can take a step back and admire your work. Save your new creation by clicking on the download button and choose the format that suits your needs best, be it PDF, JPEG, or PNG. And there you go, you've just created a stunning flyer on Canva. It's as simple as that, with endless possibilities to explore. Happy designing, and I hope you find joy and success in spreading your message with your freshly made flyer.